Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your setup, installation, configuration for some open source application. Okay guys, so for today's video, I'm just want to show you about my website and I just set up um contact page that you can click contact and then you can fill this form and you can send email or to WhatsApp. And you can also try to use my WebRTC or the web call. So, but I'm not yet always online on here, but you can try to click call HB tutorial now, and then you will see this part. Just put your contact information, okay, and then click call now, and then you will once you are connected, you can able to hear the hold. Okay, so I'm just end this one first. And now, if you want to test it, so you can visit my dialer. Okay, or you just visit first the uh okay, okay. So you can visit the validation link. And then you can use the test 2026 same password. Okay. So after after you get authenticated, it will redirected to this page. Then you can click this one and then log in again, test 2026. Then you can go to the test campaign. Okay. Then you will see here, okay, you can add all, so submit, and then you can test on your own about this agent page. So you can try to call this here, okay, patient number, and call, okay, it's connected, and then you can hear you can answer, okay, the call was landed. Okay. Uh, okay. Let's put on pause. Okay. And I will log out this one. Okay. So we have another agent page. So this one, oops, let's see what is the, yeah, this one. So same thing, test 2026, test 2026, and then select the test campaign. And then you will see this as the new dialer page. Okay. 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 So this is the looks of the second agent page. So if I go to the website, all again, and then I am home. Mhm. Okay. As you can see, you can able to get the call. Okay. Uh-huh. Gonna post. Okay. Okay. So this is the new style for the uh updated theme for agent. Okay. You can click resume if you want. Or post after one. So, okay, not work anything if the posts have been set. Okay. Then click resume if you want to take a course again. Then you will see all the agent stats here. So the call logging, how many calls, answered draft. Okay, so this one is mostly on inbound. Okay, okay, so it's our page one, the page two. Okay, so this is the link on the team one and then link on the team two. Okay. So hope you are enjoy and you can test the agent team for VICIdial. Yeah, guys, thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.